Oh guys, I'm back.
Anak, hirap yun. Ang galing,
Still
no?
playing this.
Ang galing nun.
Yeah, making the dual house. Actually, just small house. Then call it a house.
Kaya lang, lumaban, wala, mahina doon.
Ah, wala pa? Wala pa?
Here, where, Shabam, maybe call it, I know how to call it, the mining area. That means I have lots cobblestone to bring with, or is it called cobble pickaxe and pickaxe. First I will put chest, like there's another server I've told you guys about, and it's MCISN, you know, with friends, with a group. Yeah, I build like a mining grounds. I'm not gonna make another mining grounds, I'm gonna make a mining area. So I call it again mining grounds. It could suck, and it means I just stole my name. And if I become hungry, I just eat the apple. You.
Parang manipis eh, no? Masil-masil yan.
Yeah, and the mining grounds. Oh.
Ba't ang Cuba, hindi sila nagpo-professional? Ang mga competition lang sila sa Aulin, PA siya, no? Ang mag-Cuba kaya ayaw mag-professional. Ang gagaling nun.
Natalo mo rin, professional, di ba?
Sino?
Yung heavyweight.
Si ano, Stevenson? Nung araw? Oo, nung araw yun, hindi na sila na ganun. Yun ang huling Cuban eh. Stevenson. Magaling yung ano,
From safe, fancy.
Soria. Yung Soria nung araw.
Okay, no sleep.
Knockout artist.
No.
Gaganda lang oh. Pag nabigyan ka na ito, tulog. Nalaglag?
I'm an idiot, guys.
Gabi. Ayun oh.
Stupid man, stupid man, stupid me, stupid me.
Artist na niyo.
Oh, forgot ladders. Okay, it's too dark, can't see. I don't want to waste my coal. I will need it to make food.
Bili na, nahulog yun eh. Balik
So
pa
I
eh.
do that.
Oo. Nahulog na hulog.
Next,
Sa backstage.
maybe in some next future, it already is cobble. It's unusual. That means the Pen 15 job. Ding 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 ding. Go go. Shabam.
Dami na nangyayari yun. Mas lalo sa mga beauty pageant. Dami na doon sila. Eh, taas na sapatos eh. 6 inches sa akin ang sapatos eh.
Na ano yung damit niya, no?
Oh, yung parang kapa. Nakakasulo na doon lang.
And if I'm gonna build something like here, it will be big and wide. Let's do this thing, guys. Bam, 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 bam. Okay, oh no, watch me. Oh great. I knew it. Okay, we're gonna waste some torches. Let's waste some torches. Alright, with the torch only. Miko, forgot it. The
Ang laki na ng
two.
dollar. At ang laki pa ng bigay sa mga pay-per-view, no?
There.
Sila Leonard, di pa masyado. Kaswerte nga to si Pacquiao.
Right here. Let's use some torches. Wow. Okay, let's do
Kaya kasi negro eh.
or brighter.
Get proof niya oh. Lakas din eh.
Para ang liit ng ulo.
There.
Ang hirap tamahan, no?
And maybe in the next episode you'll be shocked. It's this whole crappy crap scene review. Wow, Wolf Jericho. Stay here top. Another crappy stone pickaxe. Trouble. In this. Wow, idiot. Get 13 covered. Get idiot. Oh, wait. Button?
Naka-recover yung puti, eh, no?
Alright guys, just post in the comments how to make a button. I forgot. No, that's the button, you idiot. Stone stairs. What about... Ooh, it's chair. It's the same.
20 peso eh.
Yun, no? Kung tama, eh, no?
Wala 20 peso ah. Apat na.
Pretty sure it takes some okay. You just use this. Have you got any other options?
Pinagutak niya yung mukha niya.
We all... Oh...
Oo. May pahabol pa.
Make sure you always put a comment that there is a crappy underground. Yes.
Ang headway, nawala.
Underground. Secret door. Underground.
Nawala na yung mga babae.
Underground. Secret door. In my GD area. Underground. Secret door. Now I know what to
Andyan di ba yun?
15, hindi.
do here.
Yung sana saan
Forgot. Keep me warning. There's a team magic of that. It means
Yan o.
that.
Nagatitingnan ko sa ano, sa Basketball TV. Wala. Sa Olympics yun.
Di ba pinapakita ba yun sa ano? Sa US?
Oo, nung ano, laban nila Kobe. Tambak naman eh.
Habang ikaw, sasalunod daw nung team nila na ngayon yung superstar ng una.
Ay, nung Dream Team,
Oh,
ang
Dream
lakas
Team.
nun.
Ako,
Ang lakas nun.
kahit yung edad nila ngayon, tapos yung edad nila na nila Jordan, no, hindi sila mananalo.
Kaya nga Dream Team yun eh. Kaya nga Dream Team.
Tama naman, wala, tinan mo naman yung manalo sila. Lamang, labitin. Eh, nun wala labitin eh.
Pinakamababa, 40.
Paano? Nasuot ko lala yung mga kalaban eh.
Ano ano eh, sa Showtime na nanonood na.
Napapanood eh. Pag may lumusot na, ibig na magbantay.
Jordan.
Alright, guys, now let's make a door.
Ako, tingin ko siya kay Eddie.
Now
Ang
we need
Ateneo pa rin
another
nagsasabi.
door.
Ang Ateneo pa rin.
Okay, Japan. Awesome door dude.
Yan o, yung part 2.
Look at this. So,
Namatay yung
whoa,
girlfriend.
walk through the door.
Sa parts nyo.
Dito na pala nanirahan yung mga...
Nakaka-impress, di ba?
Dito na pala nanirahan yung mga yan, ano? Yan, magaling. Ito, 7-footer to eh.
I'm gonna need a transform, but
At Tamerano pala ang, ano?
yeah,
Tamerano?
I'm just gonna need
Na?
Ang coach ng inyo.
this.
Oo, sa Tamerano.
Then, Shaboom.
Di ba ito ang Tamirano?
Yuki.
Yuki yan, di ba?
Yuki. Sa kampo
Ah,
nila
nga pala.
nila 20 para. Sila ang Magsano. Sila ang kapalitan ni Magsano eh. Diba, champion sila? Saka yung kapatid ni Pia Duano. Mukhang bonjing. Yan si Duano. Sila, ang lakas yun eh, nasal ng araw. Guardia, siyempre, Tamerano, saka si Magsano. Yung forward yun, si Duano, decent yun. Wala makapigil kay Benji Palas nun eh, no? Wala nga kay Benji, no?
Galing na din.
Long hair pa.
Galing na San Bedes, Betis.
Oo. Long hair pa na siya, no? Si Benji.
Nauwi sa pagka-artista, komedyante pa.
Ah, more work tomorrow. How do I even do this? Oh yeah, I forgot. It's for you guys. For me, and for me. Oh yeah.
Buti, hindi nakuha nito kulay si tatay niya.
And because I like Minecraft. Since I enjoy it.
Nintendo
I
eh.
just put this so it's mechanism here.
AKA, Manoto.
Oo.
Wow. No, 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 no.
Napag-champion ba
So,
ni
I'm making
Del Ponce
something.
yan? Sa inyo? Dani Del Ponce? Yan galing yun eh. Hindi ano?
Time
Kaya nailaban yata ng finals yun.
Hindi.
Hindi rin.
Nag-champion yata ang
we can
Bob Daly.
come on. Wow, we can't.
Hindi si Del Ponce.
Then put this back here.
Wala pang champion yan. Napalapit
Panahon
yan.
namin, tuloy
And I
talaga.
bet the next episode you will see this wooden
Si Del Ponce
floor.
nandyan. Dami lumalaban.
No wooden
Kagas.
stuff. Just to be
Oo, dahil may isang guardia magaling.
you will see me within a
Panahon
week
naman nila, no?
and you will see a brand new Minecraft.
Si ano no, si Jet
Alright,
Rose,
feature and finish.
si Jaworski,